How to fix Windows apps not opening or launching. So let's get started. The first fix is to update Windows and the app. Keeping your operating system and apps updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes which can resolve compatibility issues. So simply open the settings by pressing Windows plus I, go to the Windows update and click on check for updates and install any available updates there. Secondly, repair or reset the app. Repairing or resetting an app can fix corrupted files and settings that might be preventing the app from starting. Open settings by pressing Windows plus I, go to apps, then tap on installed apps, find the app that won't start in the list and click on it. Select advanced option. First try the repair option. This will attempt to fix the app without affecting your data. If repairing does not work, use the reset option. This will reset the app to its default state, which may result in loss of app data. After resetting, try opening the app again. Then check for corrupt system files. Corrupt system files can interfere with app functionality. Running a system file check can identify and repair these issues. So open command prompt as an administrator, press Windows plus X and select Windows Terminal. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. The system file checker will scan your system for corrupt files and repair them. Restart your computer and try launching the app again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.